Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got a fleet of dirty cars behind me, and we have a Camaro rally planned for tomorrow, and I want to make sure that the exterior of my cars are clean. But before I usually do the exteriors, I start with the interior. So today I'm going to be showcasing and reviewing an all-purpose cleaner from Shine Armor. It's a non-greasy matte finish all-purpose interior cleaner. It can be used on all surfaces. It also leaves a nice UV protection on all surfaces that you apply the product to. Just wipe on, wipe off, and you have protection for weeks. So I'm going to be testing out this product on both my vehicles, this Ram 1500 and my Camaro 1LE. So I'm going to be testing it on the common surfaces like the dash, the door panel, and I'm also going to try it out on the seats and see what they do on the vinyl and the leather. Let's check out the truck. This is my daily, so it's pretty dirty. The dash is pretty dirty. Steering column's pretty dirty. So this will be a nice test. The Camaro, on the other hand, not so dirty, but different materials to try the product out on and see what kind of results we find. So this is a product that Shine Armor sent me. They sent me this kit with a couple microfiber towels and the all-purpose cleaner. All-purpose interior cleaner, non-greasy matte finish, used for all surfaces. Just wipe on, wipe off. Leaves a UV protection on all surfaces. So we're going to be doing a review on this product and also comparing it to its competitor over there, that Chemical Guys product that I normally use. So hopefully this is going to be much better. So in the truck, we're going to test out this Shine Armor. Went ahead and put the painter's tape on the dash and right here on the center console. So we're going to shake this up. New bottle, let's pump it up. Let's just give it a generous amount. As directed, just wipe off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. I'll try to wipe everything back off with the opposite side. Now that looks pretty good. Definitely picked up, I mean, obviously picked up all the dust. You can see that cut line. So it definitely cleans up the surface pretty well. It looks pretty good. It's inside. We're gonna spray this again a few times. And I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the whole armrest. I'm gonna use the backside. We're just gonna wipe off all the excess. That's actually looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and peel this tape up. Let's get a closer look. So you can see the cut line right there. It's not greasy at all, actually. It's pretty nice. So far, happy with the product. It smells really nice. Has a nice citrus smell. We're gonna go ahead and use this on all the other surfaces that I have here. So pretty dusty. Let me turn off the screen so you can see how dusty and dirty the screen is. So I'm going to clean the screen, all the panels, the steering column, and the rest of that dash and the other side of this armrest. And we're going to start wiping all the surfaces that I have here. I'll turn back off. I mean, it just pulls all the dust and dirt right off. That's a pretty good product, honestly. I'm going to flip it and wipe everything back off. We're working all these panels, the plastic, the instrument cluster, the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and use it on all the surfaces. Flip it over. Try to take off all the excess off. And look at that. And it's not greasy at all. Streak free. Looks really good. Really happy with the product, and like I said, it smells really nice. Leaves a nice citrus smell. And you can see how clean everything is. Let's see how the Shine Armor does against all these little spots on these cover auto seat covers. See the link for cover autos in the description.
some more behind the headrest. Flip it over to wipe off the excess.
Let's see how it did against whatever that was stuck to my seat covers. Pretty good for one quick pass. So far on the Ram, working pretty good, can't complain. Let's go try it out on the Camaro. All right, let's try this out. In the Camaro, you can see we have a little bit of dust throughout the cabin. Here on the steering column, we have some more dust and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wipe down the full center console and the full dash setup and the steering column and the instrument cluster there. Let's go ahead and spray the cloth. Place that down. Let's just wipe down all the surfaces that are visible. And you can see how fast it dries, so it's not going to leave that greasy finish. It's going to dry nice and matte. A little more spray. I don't know, maybe I don't need so much of it, but I like using it. Using all the surfaces that we have, steering wheel. And we're just gonna go real quick back across and try to wipe everything back off. Not going too crazy. Try to get in here. So getting a close-up, you can see the product did pretty good. Nice and clean. I'm no professional detailer, just using a microfiber cloth, but it did really well. Picked up everything. Steering column looks good. So far, pretty happy with this product. Not too bad. Let's get this panel right here where my feet constantly rub. Couple passes right there. Wipe it back off. There you go. Looking new. So far, so good in both my vehicles. So I'm pretty happy with the Shine Armor product. It did everything it said it would do. It cleaned my interior pretty well. Did all the surfaces that I sprayed it on. Picked up some old grime that was on the seat covers of my Ram. The dash was pretty dirty. You know, I daily this truck. I put thousands of miles a month on this truck. It was put to the test and it succeeded, at least in my books. But I would say that it's just as good, if not better, than Chemical Guys or Adams. This all-purpose interior cleaner is definitely a good buy. And although Shine Armor sent me this, I wouldn't have put up the video if I didn't like it. This product is pretty good, and I'm looking forward to using more products from this company. So thank you, Shine Armor, for sending me this interior cleaner. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.